Today we explore Coinbase versus Coinbase Pro. Choosing the right crypto trading platform can completely change how you manage your investments without unnecessary complexity. Both offer unique features for different types of users and trading needs. Coinbase and Coinbase Pro are platforms for buying and selling cryptocurrencies, but the core difference lies in their target users and trading features. Coinbase focuses on simplicity and ease of use, while Coinbase Pro offers advanced tools and lower fees for active traders. Coinbase is a user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange designed for beginners and casual investors. It allows users to buy, sell, and store popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more through a straightforward interface. The platform works by connecting your bank account or card to facilitate quick purchases and sales. Coinbase's strengths include its simplicity, strong security measures, and educational resources that help new users understand the crypto market. However, this ease of use comes with higher fees compared to more advanced platforms, and it lacks deeper trading tools like limit orders or chart analysis. Coinbase is ideal for users who want a hassle-free experience to start investing in cryptocurrencies without needing detailed market data or advanced trading options. It's perfect for those prioritizing convenience and security over complex trading features. Coinbase Pro is designed for more experienced cryptocurrency traders who need advanced trading features and lower fees. It operates as a professional-grade exchange offering real-time order books, charting tools, and the ability to place limit, stop, and market orders. Coinbase Pro works by matching buyers and sellers directly, which helps reduce transaction costs compared to Coinbase's standard platform. Its strengths include significantly lower trading fees, detailed market data, and a customizable interface that suits active traders. However, its complexity may overwhelm beginners, and it requires a learning curve to fully utilize its tools. Coinbase Pro is ideal for users who trade frequently or in larger volumes and want to optimize their costs while having access to comprehensive trading tools. It fits investors who require precision and control over their trades and are comfortable navigating a more technical platform. Comparing Coinbase and Coinbase Pro shows a clear trade-off between simplicity and advanced functionality. Coinbase suits users who want to quickly buy or sell crypto without worrying about order types or fees, making it perfect for casual investors or beginners. On the other hand, Coinbase Pro is better for active traders who want to minimize fees and utilize detailed market data and order types to strategize their trades. For example, if you're making occasional purchases, Coinbase's intuitive design is ideal, but if you trade daily or manage a portfolio actively, Coinbase Pro's tools and lower fees provide significant advantages. The choice depends on your trading frequency, experience, and need for control versus convenience. Choose Coinbase if you prioritize ease of use, quick transactions, and security without needing advanced trading features or lower fees. Opt for Coinbase Pro if you trade frequently, want to reduce fees, and need access to advanced order types and market data. Both platforms serve different needs, so pick the one that fits your trading style and goals best.